So let us consider a grammar which is in the form of S2 small a, capital A, small c, then it will be B and small e. Okay, then A2, it is a context free grammar. A2, A, B or small b. Then B2, D. Okay, for this grammar we have to construct the bottom of parsing. So let my input string equal to A, B, B, C, D, E. A, B, B, C, D, E. Okay, so grammar is given to you, input string is given to you. You have to construct is bottom of parsing. So how to construct? First thing is that first step you go for checking whether you can get this input string from the start symbol or not. So let us check whether we can get from the start symbol or not. So there is a production from S. So S2, it will be A, capital A, small c, capital B and E. Okay, my requirement equal to A. Now you can check at the first position is already A or not. So I have to directly write down. My next requirement equal to B. I have to check what are the production that are associated from A, which is associated with the B. Now there will be two production, either it will be AB or it will be small b. If I take the small b, then I cannot take another number of a B. So instead of only B, I can take the production AB. The rest will remain as same. It will be C, it will be B and E. Completed. Next, A is completed. There is a production from A to B. So I can replace with B. The rest will remain as usual. There will be C. This value equal to capital B and E. Now, which one is the non-terminal symbol? This B is the non-terminal symbol. So it will be A, B, B. This one equal to small c. In place of a B, there is a production to D. So you can write like this. It will be D. Now you get the input string A, B, B, C, D, E. So it will be A. Now you sure that the input string can be generated from the grammar. Then we will go for the applying the rules of the bottom of parser. So let us go for the applying the rule. Rule number 1. Listen carefully. What is rule number 1? Draw the parse tree for the given grammar until you reach to the desired string in a rightmost derivation. Okay, draw a parse tree. We have to draw a parse tree. Okay, for the given grammar until you reach up to the desired string in a rightmost fashion, in a rightmost derivation. So since it's a bottom parsing, we discussed that we have to go for a rightmost derivations. Okay, so first step is draw a parse tree so that you can reach up to the input string in a rightmost derivation. Now let us draw this one. So it will be S. From S, what are the production? It will be A. This value equal to capital A. This value equal to small c, capital B and E. We have to go for rightmost derivation from these directions. What is my next requirement? My input string equal to ED. E is completed. Then for this value, I can put D. You have to move in a rightmost derivations. Then I get EDC. It is okay. Then my requirement equal to B. So this value is to be divided into A and B. Then this B, A is to be converted to. Now you can check. So all the terminal nodes, all the leaf nodes. So what is the leaf nodes are there? A, B, B, C, D, E. Okay, A, B, B, C, D, E. So step number 1 is completed. Now step number 2. Okay, so step number 2, you have already constructed the parse tree in step number 1. Then we will move for the step number 2. So step number 2 is scan the given string from left to right. We have to scan the given string from left to right. Okay, we have to scan the given string from left to right. Identify a handle, okay, which can be replaced by a non-terminal symbol from the given grammar. Okay, so scan the input string from left to right. Identify a handle which can be replaced with a non-terminal symbol from the given grammar, and the method of this finding the handle is called as handle pruning. Okay, is called as handle pruning. So what is the step number 2? Scan the input string. Input string means this one, A, B, B, C, D, E. Scan the input string from left to right to find out a handle. Handle means which production is to be replaced with the corresponding value. Now what is the example of in the first case? We have to scan from this one. A already is present in A. Second one is B. B value is to be replaced. That means we have to check what are the production exist in the grammar in which there is a production to B. Now there is a production to A. So what is the handle? Handle equal to B. Okay, for which we have to go for replacing its corresponding non-terminal symbol. Which one is a corresponding non-terminal symbol? Capital A is corresponding non-terminal symbol we have to replace. Okay, so step number 2 is finding the handle, means you have to find out which production will be there, which value is to be replaced with its corresponding non-terminal symbol. Step number 3, I will give an example. You can clear from that one. Step number 3. Okay, so step number 3 is replace the handle over here. Replace the handle which is chosen in the step number 2 by its corresponding production in non-terminal symbols. Okay, we have to replace the handle with its non-terminal symbol. Replace the handle with a non-terminal symbol. Okay, now you have choose the handle equal to B. So which non-terminal symbol is associated with B? A is associated with B. That means A is to be replaced in place of B in the productions. Okay, so this step number 2, find which symbol is go for the changing. Step number 3, change the value, and this step is called as reduction. Okay, the step number 3 is called as reduction. Step number 2 is called as finding the handle. Once you find the handle, then you can go for the replacement. Step number 4. Step 4. What exactly step number 4? We have to repeat the step number 2 and 3. Okay, repeat step 2 and 3 until you get the start symbol. Until the start symbol is reached. Repeat step number 2 and 3 until start symbol reached. So whenever you reach up to the start symbol, that means whenever you reach up to the S, you have to stop there. This is the idea of this one. So first step, you have to draw the parse tree in a rightmost derivation. Second step, scan the input string to find out the handle. Once you find out the handle, then replace with its corresponding non-terminal symbol. So the step is called as reduction. This step is called as handle pruning or handle finding, and you have to repeat the step number 2 and step number 3 until you get a start symbol. Okay, now let us consider that same example, how we can solve that problem by using bottom-up parsings. Okay, so we have to make a table for this one. So first one is called as sentential form. sentential form. Okay. Second we can call that as a handle. Okay. Third one is its reduction, means changing of the handle with its corresponding production, and fourth one is its production. So let us, I have to draw a table like this. It will consist of these four items: sentential form, handle, reduction, and its corresponding production. So if it is a sentential form, only the input symbol is present over here. What is the input symbol here? A, B, B, C, D, E. The input string which is to be passed. Okay. So initially we have to start from the left to right. We have to move from left to right in the step number 2 to find the handle. A is already there in the start symbol. Now what is the handle here? B is the handle. Why A is not handle? There is no production. A is already present in the start symbol. It is starting from small a. You can check like this. So it will remain at the same. So B is the handle now. If B is the handle, there will be no reduction in this phase. Which production is associated with B? There is a production is associated with B is called as A to B. Okay. Now in the next step, the step number 2 is completed. Identify the handle. What is step number 3? Replace that one with its corresponding production. Production equal to A to B. Now the sentential value, there will be no sentential value. Then there will be no handle. So what is the production? B value is replaced with the A. Now I can write A, small a, capital A, B, small c, D and E. So what is the changes over here? In place of a small b, I have replaced with the capital A. Okay. Then what is step number 4? We have to repeat the step number 2 and 3 until the start symbol will be there. Now what is the my current value? Current sentential form equal to small a, capital A, small b, small c and small d, E. Okay. Again I have to scan from left to right. Now maybe there is
सर से प्रोडक्शन टा आपण लिखले A to B सेटा A to B नय कि A to AB हेतले भी चलता ना तो
हे परिवो कि हमर B अछि कोच पछर कोच व्यस्त ना
सर आपण कटि गेला
मोर कटि गेला
आसिला सर आसिला
okay now it will be AB. Now we have to check what are the production from the AB. Is there any existence of the production from AB or not? Okay. So for this one, now what should the handle? Both AB may be the handle. Both AB may be the handle. There will be no reduction. Is there any production associated to AB? Yes, there is a production from A to AB. Okay, there will be no reduction at this phase. There will be no handle. Now this in place of AB, the value will be replaced with the capital A. So it will be A, capital A. Rest value are remain same, C, D, E. Okay. Now this small a, capital A, small c, D and E can be taken as the next handle. Okay. Again we have to scan from left to right. So now it will be a small a, capital A, C. It is same. You have to always match with the start symbol. Small a is completed, A is completed, C is already there. Now the value equal to B. So you have to check what is the production over there. Now what is the handle? D is the handle. There is no corresponding production. There exists a production from B to D. That means in place of a D, you can replace with the B. So what is the reduction here? A, capital A, small c, capital B and small e. There is no production over here. Now this one can be taken as the next input symbol. So it will be A, C, B and E. Now you can check the enter is the start symbol. The enter is the start symbol. Hence enter can be taken as the handle. So it will be A, C, B, E. There will be no reduction. What is the production? The production equal to S to small a, capital A, small c, capital B and small e. Okay. So once it is completed, then there will be no sentential form. There will be no handle over here. This value is nothing but S. So in place of S, I can write like this. Now S is the start symbol. So we have to already start from the input string. We reach up to the start symbol. Hence you can say that the parsing is completed. Which type of parsing? Is a bottom up parsing. So simple thing is that to follow this one, first you have to check can you get an input string or not. You have already checked. Second step is construct the parse tree in a rightmost derivation fashion. Okay, we have already constructed this one. Step number 3, scan from left to right the input string. Find out which input symbol can be changed by a corresponding handle. Which one is the handle? Once you find the handle, find out its corresponding production. The step is called as reduction. This step is called as handle pruning. And we have to repeat the step 2, 3 until the start symbol will be arises. So this is exactly the working principle of a bottom